EasyPort presents the A3 metal can adapter set. The gray threaded adapter will screw directly onto plastic jugs such as this one. From there, you can remove the yellow base cap from your EasyPort spout and replace it with the red base cap from the set. Now thread your red base cap onto your gray adapter. For metal cans such as this one, take the black threaded adapter and screw it on. That same red base cap will work for this adapter as well. For certain metal cans such as this one, no thread adapter is necessary, and this red base cap will screw directly onto the can. And for safe storage and travel, the set also includes a red cap that will fit directly onto your gas can, or either of the adapters included with your set. The A3 metal can adapter set. Get yours at easyport.com.